Progmatically detect which version of ADO is installed. With different versions of MDAC available, it is sometimes useful to know that your application won't fail because a user hasn't got the latest version installed. The following function returns the ADO version installed. You need to place ComObj in the uses clause to use this function. Function GetADOVersion, double, var ADO, variant, begin try ADO equals CreateOLEobject, ADOB.connection, result equals StrToFloat, ADO.Version, ADO equals null, except result equals 0.0, and, to use this function try something like, procedure tform1. Button 1 click, sender, TObject, const ADOVersionNeeded equals 2.5, begin if GetADOVersion show message, need to install MDAC version 2.7, else show message, format, ADOVersion %n, is OK, GetADOVersion, and, regards Simon Carter Orcka Development.